Why, hello, kindergarten through second grade. It's Sharky here. Just wanted to remind you that this week I want you to watch this video you're already watching and the video about balance. Not balance like a balance beam, but balance meaning when you're remote learning. How can you have the right balance so you're not staring at a screen all day? Please click on the link below. If you need your parents' help, just ask. And answer the questions so you're ready for our next Google Hangout. And I'm going to ask if you watched the video and if you talked about the questions with your parents. Good to see you. Why, hello, kindergarten through second grade. It's Sharky. So nice to see you. I'm glad you're watching. I have this video and one other video I'd like you to watch about balance when remote learning. And then there's a few questions I asked if you talk to your parents about. So, if you can watch the next video on the link below this one, that would be great. And join us for your grade level Google Hangout with Mr. Niebuhr, Miss Dunlap, and Mrs. B and Sharky. See you soon.